Okay, good morning. This was our Latvian hotel and now we head to breakfast. Breakfast is in a different restaurant. We have to right there. Okay, now I have to wait the guys. Good driving. Okay, the restaurant should be here somewhere. There it is, Cafe Nika. Okay, I'm testing Jussi's Trans Alp. Is it really so bad, this shock absorber, or is it just his feeling? And Jussi tests my Dominator's new windshield. How this can be so different than Dominator. But the seat is much more comfortable in Trans Alp than in Dominator. This is clearly better bike for traveling.
Mikko, I think this steering wheel is a little bit it's not straight.
It's not steering wheel, it's the handlebar.
No, yeah. I didn't remember the... You have suspension.
You have engine. Yeah, the Trans Alp engine is much better than the Dominator engine.
I like this. Yeah.
Yeah, Jussi's suspension is kaput.
I know.
Feels like this bike is wobbling all the time. But if I stand, it doesn't get any better.
Can't stand no longer.
This bike is good bike. I cannot say nothing more. I will have a suspension.
Mikko don't know how to drive without the suspension.
Ah, you are stopping already.
I don't know how to drive with this. It's too different.
It's too tall.
But it's good bike.
It's what?
It's good bike.
You have good bike also. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Okay, I just forgot to say when I was testing Jussi's Trans Alp that we are now on Trans Euro Trail Latvia and we are heading back to north to Estonian Trans Euro Trail. I hope that we can find some muddy places. This is dusty again, not nice. and this is loose gravel so much that it's not very fun. But we see what will come to our way. Okay, now we are some small village. Looks nice. Okay, the Trans Euro Trail Latvia got interesting. This is nice.
This is more fun than this, what is it, gravel road.
Yeah, this is 10 times better.
Even though I don't have any suspension in the back wheel.
You have it in your spine.
Yeah.
Jumps.
I'm 10 meters behind you.
I don't know what kind of speed you are coming there. Whatever.
Oh, Cody!
The dogs are trying to kill me. Oh, it's getting... muddy.
The both dogs trying to eat me.
Oh. Oh shit! I need to change my front wheel. It's too slippery on this kind of dusty road, and on mud, and on tarmac, and on everything. Oh, slippery, little. I need to find a front wheel shop. I think that we found a Latvian paradise. It looks like it. Very nice little Aumaisteri village. Oh, it's a nice place.
Smells like shit, but it's beautiful.
Really bumpy road.
There's scheiße on the road.
Yeah.
My clothes smells like shit. Fuck it.
Yeah, suck it.
Oi, wait.
This is intense. Ketjut taitaa hyppiä. And it's not getting any easier. Oh shit! Mäkin ekaan verot jätkä sitten.
Ai vittu.
En tiedä, mulla on tää ketju hypätä. Tääkö kiristä ketjut tuossa mutalikossa ei ollut vetoja?
Ei se tyhjiä veti siellä itsellekin ihan hirveä.
Mitä?
Tyhjiä veti hirveä.
Ketju? Joo. Ei kun mulla on ihan paukku sille, että ihan kun olisi ketju hypännyt. Onko se miten kirjalla minun ketju? Nää on vittu liian kirjalle. Miten ne voi olla noin kirjalle? Mitä? En tiedä. Ei tuo kyllä oikein oo. No ihan kuin viulun kieli. Pitääkö se kahtoa saata? Käittyt on kuin viulun kieli mulla.
Jaa. Tekö sitten